everyone, my name is Apurva Ghagre and this video is about differentiation.
Differentiation is a method of finding the derivative of a function at any point. If x is a variable and y is the another variable and y is equals to f of x, then y is called as dependent variable and x is called as independent variable. Dependent variable is which depends on another variable and independent variable is which does not depend on another variable. Now slope m is equals to tan theta and tan theta is equals to opposite upon adjacent. If x and y are real numbers and if the graph of f is plotted against x, then the derivative is the slope of this graph at each point, that is m is equals to del y upon del x. Differentiation is all about finding the derivative and derivative is all about finding the rate of change or gradient of the function. So if we have graph of displacement, the rate of change of displacement or gradient of displacement would be velocity. So how can we calculate rate of change or gradient of the function? So if we draw the graph here and we have a straight line, then we will draw one triangle. This is change in x and this is change in y. Then rate of change is simply calculated as del y upon del x, where del is indicating the change in. The rate of change of this straight line is constant at every point. So it was so simple to find. But what if we don't have straight line and we have a curve? Then we generally draw a tangent to any point on the curve. The tangent is a line which touches the curve at single point. So we can find the gradient at specific point on the graph. So as you can see, on the left side of the curve, the rate of change is negative. Moving to the bottom of the curve, reaching the bottom, the tangent is horizontal and rate of change is equal to 0. Now moving to right side of the curve, the rate of change is positive. So as you can see, the gradient or rate of change is constantly changing. So how can we calculate the rate of change in this case? For this, we have learned some rules involved in differentiation. First is sum difference rule, second is product rule, third is quotient rule, fourth is chain rule. Other than this, there are some standard results by which we can find the derivative of a function. Now, let's learn about some applications of differentiation. We use differentiation to calculate maximum value of the function, minimum value of the function, strength, amount of material, profit and loss. Now let's calculate maximum and minimum value of the function. Suppose our function is x cubed minus 3x square minus 9x plus 12. We have to write the function in the form of y. Therefore, y is equals to x cubed minus 3x square minus 9x plus 12. Firstly, we will find its first derivative. So, its first derivative is 3x square minus 6x minus 9. Now, we will put f dash of x is equals to 0. Therefore, 3x square minus 6x minus 9 will be equal to 0. Now if you will see, that was the quadratic equation. So therefore, we can solve the quadratic equation. So by solving the quadratic equation, we got x plus 1 is equals to 0, that is x is equals to minus 1, and x minus 3 is equals to 0, that is x is equals to 3. X is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 3 are called as critical values. Now we will find its second derivative. Now after finding its second derivative or differentiating it second time, we got f double dash of x is equals to 6x minus 6. Put x is equals to minus 1 in f double dash of x. Therefore, f double dash of minus 1 will be equals to 6 into minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 6 minus 6, that is f double dash of minus 1 will be equal to minus 12, which is less than 0. Therefore, the function is maximum. It proves that the function is maximum. Now, to calculate maximum value of x, we have to put x is equals to minus 1 in the function x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 12. Therefore, we get f of x is equals to 17. X is equals to 17 is the maximum value of the function. Then of course, for x is equals to minus 3, the function will be minimum. So that's how we calculate maximum and minimum value of the function. So this was all about differentiation. Thank you so much for watching the video.